All right, so this is a video about how to resize large images. The reservation key system accepts smaller images, so if you took a picture with your phone, it likely needs to be resized before you can upload it. First, what I do is I look for an image resizer. So I just type into Google image resizer. And this first one, imageresizer.com, works pretty well. So I've already downloaded the images. And so all I have to do is select them from my computer. I've downloaded them into my downloads folders, just wherever you saved them. You can click Shift to do multiple at the same time. Click Open. That's going to upload these large ones. So this one you can see was 6.7 megabytes. That's definitely too large, and probably this one was as well. So once they've been uploaded, all we have to do is enter a width. So the original size was 4,000, which is much larger than we need for just the web and phone use. So usually I would do 800 pixels, which should be more than enough. So now all you have to do is put the width to 800 pixels. Now it's going to take that the same dimensions, 800 to 600. And then once, that's really all you have to do. Then click Export. Now it's going to resize them, process it. Just takes a second or two. And now you click Download All Images. And those have gone back to my Downloads folder. And they're right there. So back in, but first I'll probably just extract them just to make sure that they're accessible. So I'm just going to right click on that and click Extract All and extract. Now there'll be a new folder, which we can see here, resized images, and there they are. So in ReservationKey, we go over to the room. And in this case, it was room 7. So under reservation page details, we can do our primary photo and browse. It was in the downloads folder. And resized images. I'm not sure which photo was. Let's just look at the large. So it's this one I think would be the primary photo. We'll do that. Click upload. And I just used the default width when we uploaded it. It really depends on what theme you're using. If you want to use 400 there, I'll do it again. Some of our newer themes are using larger, so you might want to change this just to the 800 and see what happens, see if it works. Otherwise, redo it again and do it with 400. And then the slideshow, we're going to add some additional photos. So there's already one photo, so that's okay. So as long as there's 2 photos, the slideshow will work. There's a little bit of a bug where it needs at least 2 photos currently. Like with everything on the system, we are constantly in the process of upgrading and improving things. So maybe by the time you see this video, that will be fixed, but currently there it is. So then we click Save Changes, and those quickly uploaded. And then just that one last point about the image size. Let's just open that reservation page and have a look at room 7 and see if that breaks out or not. Yeah, so the 800 didn't really matter because the theme is already resizing the photos. And here you can see the photos are showing up in the slideshow as well. So hopefully that's helpful. Just remember, imageresizer.com is a great tool for making those large photos into smaller file sizes. Thanks.